Welcome to Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie again. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I change my website from just throwing up any design and niche it down to something very special and powerful. Because designing just random stuff and throwing it up on your website, it won't get you nowhere. It has to mean something special to you. You understand? Your design has to be special, that's gonna resonate with other people. And that's what I did to my website. I totally renovate the whole thing, which is redesign. This ain't just about t-shirts. This is about pain, growth, discipline. Every thread, every color, every word I print means something special. Today, I'm gonna show you how I design my t-shirts that speak power. From inspiration to press. This is creative fuel. Let's go. This shirt that I'm working on is inspired by real life. Fake friends, betrayal, people doubting me. But instead of getting bitter, I get better. I took the pain and turned it into a design. When I create, I don't think about the trend. I think about what needs to be said. I started with this phrase. It's gonna hit. No fluff, no sugarcoating. Next, I choose a font that looks like it mean business. I wanted bold, gritty, something that will make you feel the message even before you read it. And as you tell, by reading this, you understand what I'm talking about. You know that pain turned into power. That's what I want this message to be. Every line had to scream strength. So I was planning to make this white and discipline red, but I decided to go all white. But in the future I might go, I don't know, I might make it red. I might make it white and red. So I went ahead and decided, instead of using the white vinyl I'm using right now, this is a royal blue reflector. So, you know, the color, when light shine on it, it's going to look like white because it's a reflector. So I decided to go ahead and, you know, change it up. And it's going to come out wonderful. You guys just got to stick around, watch the whole video, and you're going to see it. I'm going to press it up right now. Right now I'm just weeding it. And then I'm gonna press it. The vinyl, this vinyl that I'm using, I got it from Canon Transfer, but I don't know if Canon Transfer exists anymore. Anyway, watch. As you can tell, you can see that it's royal blue, but it looks a little bit different because it's reflective. Now, here is where it gets real. Heat press on, temperature and temperature pressure locked in, baby. Yeah, there we go. Now, there is no second chance. We're gonna have to just press up this bad boy.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal 'em. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for
The moment the shirt come out, it's more than cotton. It's mindset. It's war paint. It's proof that you don't fold. If you are someone who been counted out, if they laugh at your dreams or try to break your spirit, this shirt, this message was made for you. Don't just wear something because it looks cool. Wear something that reminds you of who you are. That is what I'm building with Elite Asylum. This is more than just fashion. This is creative fuel. Hit the like button if this speaks to you. Subscribe for more drops, more grind, more realness. And if you are ready to wear your mindset, link is down below in the description. I am Flex McKenzie. Let's build something powerful.